Fireworks in a glass. What you will need: food coloring, oil, a tall glass, a smaller glass, and a fork. The first step is to fill the glass with water almost to the top. The second step is to pour oil into the smaller glass. Next, add a few drops of food coloring. Now get a fork and stir the mixture. Like that. You want to break up the food coloring drops into smaller drops, but you don't want to mix it thoroughly. Now, pour the mixture into the water, like this. Notice how the food coloring slowly sink in the glass. The droplets are expanding outward as they fall, resembling fireworks, like that. You can also choose two colors, for example red and blue, so that your fireworks will be violet.